This one is my assembly for the planetary stage. So just like I said, for us to achieve different gear ratios and change of direction of rotation, we have to hold one component in this planetary stage. So we have three components in this stage. So there is the ring gear, the planetary gears, and the sun. And this one is our planetary carrier there. So either holding one of these components that we shall achieve a gear reduction or a change in direction. So we're going to start, if we hold our planetary carrier there, we hold it so that it is not rotating, meaning that we shall have our ring gear and the sun gear rotating in different directions. Our ring gear, this one, will be rotating in another direction, and the sun gear will be rotating in another direction. Let's take, for instance, the arrows. We can just follow them. The sun gear is rotating in a clockwise direction, and this one has been held, meaning the planetary gears will be rotating just on their, just in this same position as it is held. They will be orbiting around their axis. So this one is going like this, meaning this one will be going like this in the counterclockwise direction. And then the third one now, this one will be going in, this one is like this one like this, and then this one again will be following the other direction now, and counterclockwise again. So if we hold our planetary carrier, meaning that the sun gear and the ring gear, they will go in different directions, and as a result you find that the sun gear will be very fast, the revolution per minute will be higher than the ring gear. As a result, we can achieve gear reduction. So if we can hold the planetary carrier, meaning that we can have it, the transmission of power in two ways. It's either we can take power to or get power from, either ways. And then the other part again is where we hold our ring gear. If we hold our ring gear and let this rotate, we shall have the sun gear rotating in one direction, and like the planetary gears rotating in the opposite direction around their shaft. The planetary gears, for these planetary gears, they shall engage in the ring gear and the sun gear teeth in such a way that the planet carriers receive the same rotational direction as the sun gears. So what this actually means is that once we hold this and the planetary gears, this one is not rotating, and then these are the two members which are rotating inside. So when these two rotate, the planetary gears again, they shall receive the drive from the sun gears, and since this one is not rotating, this will force the planetary gears to be rotating around the carrier. So since this, if you check the gear reduction there, the planetary gear, the reduction will be too high, that this guy will be rotating at a very high speed than the planetary gears. So meaning the carrier will be rotating in the other direction, and this one will be rotating in the other direction, but it will be following around the axis. When we hold the sun gear, this means that the ring gear and the planet carrier again, they'll be rotating in the same direction. As like that, we'll be achieving our direction of rotation in a different gear ratios. So from this one, I just want us to see how those planet stages and brakes are arranged.